Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek at what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making these gorgeous fluorescent and gold coasters. So let's jump in and get started. The pigments I'm going to be using are all from Laura's Art Corner: fluorescent purple, fluorescent deep pink, Lorez blue gold, and this gorgeous pale gold pigment. I went ahead and mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my snowflake coaster video down below in the description box. I'll link that so you can check that out if you want to see how to mix your resin. So I'm just going in and filling up my molds. I'm only filling them up about halfway on this first layer. I went in with the fluorescent deep pink, fluorescent purple, some of the blue gold, and a little bit of the pale gold. Just tilting my molds, and now I'm going to lay down some of these gorgeous champagne crushed glass bits, also from Laura's Art Corner. And these molds are actually really awesome too. I got them from Dryer Days Art Studio. She actually designed these molds and the shape, and they're really awesome. They take just about 2 ounces of resin, so they're a really great size, and you don't use a lot of resin when you're making your coasters. So definitely check them out. I'll link the molds down below. And this pink mat that I'm working on is also from Dryer Days. I really love it. So I'm going to go in and just cover these up, let them dry for 24 hours, and then we're going to go in and pour in clear. This is the next day. The first layer is all dry. I'm just filling the mold up the rest of the way with some clear resin, hitting it with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles, and then I'm going to cover them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and we'll be ready to pop them out of the molds. So here we are 24 hours later. I was really excited to get these out of the molds, so I already demolded one off camera, but we'll demold this one together. I really like filling my molds up halfway on the first day and then going in the second day and filling them up the rest of the way with clear, because you never really know which side you're going to want to use as the top. I think this underside here turned out really pretty, but I really like the way the top looks. It's really nice and wispy, and you have that beautiful floating pale gold pigment. I am going to take some gold gilding paint from Amazon and paint the edges of my coasters gold, and a little bit of the lip around the rim of the coaster I painted gold as well. I did that off camera because I didn't want to bore you guys. It's pretty easy. You just take a paintbrush and paint. I'll link the gold down below in the description box. But I think these turned out really pretty. I absolutely love that pale floating gold. I think these colors are so bright and fun. The fluorescents from Laura's Art Corner are really fun to work with. She's got some really awesome new colors, so be sure to check out her site. I will link it down below along with my coupon code. And be sure to check out Catherine's website for your silicone molds. I really love these new molds that she released. They're a great size, and like I said, they don't take a ton of resin, which is really nice because a lot of molds take 4 or 5 ounces per coaster, and resin is not cheap. So it's nice to save that precious resin when you can. Let me know what you guys think of this set down in the comments. I plan on giving these a clear resin top coat. I just ordered some of the KS resin liquid stone countertop resin. So if you want to see my process on how I do a clear resin top coat, comment down below and let me know, and I'll be sure to upload that video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!